Hello dear student, welcome to this class one again. Now we will discuss in this video about the characteristics of solutions. Okay, we have already discussed what is the component of solutions. In solutions there are two types of components, solute and solvent. In characteristics we will discuss all the properties of solution, like in solution the solute particles are very small. That means the solute particles should be very small, that cannot be seen by naked eye. Next one is it is homogeneous. Solution is homogeneous. We have also discussed about the homogeneous in last video. Next one is its particles are not visible through naked eye. That means in solutions there are two types of particles are present. We know that solvent and solute. And solvent and solute particles cannot be seen by naked eye. Okay, this is the characteristics of solution. And next one is it is clear and transparent. That means solution should be clear and transparent, and its particle filter through filter paper and parchment paper. That means solvent and solute particles which are present in solution or made solution are filtered out with filter paper and parchment paper. So the solutions cannot be separate out, cannot be filtered. Clear? Because both the particles are filtered out. Okay? And today we will discuss about the types of solution. Types of solutions on the basis of dissolved amount of solute. On the basis of it is on the basis of dissolved amount of solute, solution is classified as solution may be saturated, unsaturated and supersaturated solution. Now we will discuss one by one. Saturated solution. What is saturated solution? In saturated solution, the solution which cannot dissolve any more solute in its solvent is called saturated solution. That means a solution, we can write a definition of solution which cannot dissolve any more solute in its solvent is called saturated solution. Clear? Why? Because we have already discussed the solution are made up by the combinations of solvent and solute. Solvent in its excess amount, while the solute are in less amount. And between the solvent particles there are spaces are available, and that space occupied by solute particle. And in saturated solutions, that means no intermolecular spaces is available for solute particles, because already solute particles get the position between all the position between the intermolecular spaces of solvent. So no more spaces are available in solvent molecules. So more solid particles cannot dissolve in this type of solution. So this solution is non-saturated solution. While in case of unsaturated solutions, the definition, a solution in which more solute can be dissolved. A solution in which more solute can be dissolved is called unsaturated solution. That means there are some spaces available between the solvent molecule to accommodate more particles, more solute particles in it. So it is known unsaturated solution. In other words, the saturation and unsaturation depend upon the temperature, depends on the temperature. As the temperature increases of the solution, the intermolecular species also increases and the more solute particles can be accommodated. Clear? Now, second one is supersaturated solution. In supersaturated solution is a solution which contains more of solvent particles, or supersaturated solution is a solution which contains more of the dissolved material than could be dissolved by the solvent under the normal conditions of temperature and pressure. Already I have told you that when temperature increases, the intermolecular spaces between the solvent also increases and more solute particles can be accommodated into the solvent particles. That means by increasing the temperature of solution, more solute particles can be dissolved, and this type solution is known as supersaturated solution. That means in this condition, spaces increase by increasing the temperature of solution, and the more solute particle can be dissolved, and this type solution is known as, one is unsaturated and second one is supersaturated solution. But in normal condition, this type solution is found out, and in this type no more solution can be dissolved in this solution. Okay, so this is the type of, these are the types of solution. One is saturated, second one is unsaturated, and third one is supersaturated solution. In next video, we will discuss about the qualitative effect of temperature on solubility. How does that solubility increases or decreases? With the effect of temperature we will discuss in next video. Okay, thank you, all the best.